Step 1. Find the right wiper blades. Before you start, you need the correct wipers for your car. Here's how to find them. Check your owner's manual. It usually lists the correct wiper blade sizes. Use an online parts finder. Websites like Amazon, AutoZone, or Bosch's official site let you enter your car's make, model, and year to show compatible options. Look at your current wipers. Some blades have the size printed on them. You can also measure them yourself. Check reviews. I asked AI for popular brands, and Bosch had great feedback. I went with Bosch because they had a few 5-star reviews and are well known for quality. Buy and get them delivered. You can order online for convenience or pick them up at a local store. Step 2. Remove the old wipers. Lift the wiper arm, carefully pull it away from the windshield until it stays up, but some models may be blocked by the hood. Just hold it up yourself while you remove the wiper. Release the old blade. On Mercedes models, there's a small back bracket. Pinch it and push the blade forward. Unhook the front clip. Tilt the blade upward to disengage the front clip. It should slide right off. Step 3. Install the new wipers. Align the new blade. Position it at the same angle as the old one when removing it. Hook the front clip. First, slide the front of the wiper into the slot. Snap it into place. Rotate the bottom of the blade down and press until you hear a click. If needed, apply a little pressure to secure it. Check your work. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the windshield and test them to make sure they work properly.